I just discovered a niche on TikTok that is blowing up right now, where people are pulling in millions of views and making thousands of dollars. I'm talking about first-person AI videos set in historical moments, like waking up as a pyramid builder in ancient Egypt or exploring a hidden jungle. The best part is that you can make these videos using free AI tools, and they can go viral surprisingly fast. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, and I'll share some insider tips most people aren't talking about. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. Crafting your story and prompts with ChatGPT. To kick things off, you need a good storyline. Grab a screenshot or short clip that sets the vibe. The perfect would be to take images of actually viral clips from TikTok and use them as a reference. Take those images, drop it into ChatGPT, and ask it to describe every detail. Ask ChatGPT not just to only describe, ask it to analyze the complete images. With all the images, it understands what make these videos viral, and it will give you an idea that could also go viral, like a first-person view in the jungle. If you ask it, it will also create a full storyline of a man waking up in the jungle and his life. From waking up to exploring the jungle. It will also create full prompts that will generate you the perfect images to create the images that will make your videos go viral. With these images, you will not have to struggle with creating different prompts for hours and get prompts that create similar looking images for a consistent video in minutes. With those prompts, let's move on to step 2. Generating images with Ideogram. Now it's time to bring those prompts to life. Head over to Ideogram, a free AI image generator. For each prompt, like POV, you wake up in a jungle, paste it into Ideogram. If you plan on posting to TikTok or Instagram Reels, set your image dimensions to vertical. Choose a style preset that fits your theme. Generate one image per prompt so you get a series of visuals that follow your storyline. If you have 5 main prompts, waking up in the jungle, walking upstairs in the jungle, walking over a hanging bridge, going into jungle temple, and even just exploring and running, whatever fits your story and would catch the viewer's attention. Create 5 images. Run the prompt a few times if you want more variety. Perfect Ideogram is really amazing at creating consistent images with simple prompts, and after downloading those images, let's move on to. Before I get into that topic, I have something to announce about my own community. I created a community for people to learn everything about making money with short form videos like TikToks, Shorts, and even creating their own business by creating their own AI Instagram theme page. Right now, we are on a free week trial, so you can come in and learn everything that you want. And after that, it's on an all-time low price of $18. This will be changed in a few weeks, so be fast and get your limited spot in the community to make your first online money. Let's continue with the video. Step 3, animating your images with Kling AI. Static images look cool, but to really capture that first-person feel, you need motion. That's where Kling AI steps in. Upload your images from Ideogram, and for each one, type a short description of the movement you want. Maybe something like first-person view of a man waking up in the jungle, no camera movement, and the feet's moving. This will make sure that the AI you understand what you want to create. Kling AI will generate short video clips that mimic those movements, making it feel like you're actually there. If you want different angles or variations, just tweak your prompts. For example, generate one clip from a low angle and another from a higher viewpoint. By the end, you'll have a bunch of short, animated clips that show each key moment of your POV story. With that, let's go to almost the last step, is step 4, custom sound effects with 11 Labs. Viral videos isn't just about visuals, sound matters too. Instead of using generic stock audio, head over to 11 Labs for custom sound effects. Go to their sound effects section, type a prompt like man yawning while waking up in the jungle, or dense jungle atmosphere with chirping birds, rustling leaves, and a creaking wooden bridge. Like 11 Labs will create a unique sound effect that matches your description. Feel free to make multiple sound effects for different parts of your video. For example, you might want one for sunrise in the desert, another for midday stone hauling, and another for the final climb. Or in a jungle setting, one for crossing a shaky bridge, one for discovering a hidden waterfall, and one for setting up camp at night. Now, step 5, editing everything in CapCut. Now you have your animated clips and sound effects. Let's stitch them together. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import all your clips in order. If your storyline begins with waking up in the jungle and looking into nature, then put in all the other clips in order and put the sound effects into its fitting order. So clip then sound effect to create a consistent storyline. Then you can put in filters and animations to make the video look even better. At the start, put in a text so the people know instantly what the video is about. Put in your text and describe the scene in a few words. Put in an animation to make the text come into the video smoothly. Use viral words like POV, you wake up in the jungle. Step 6, posting and monetizing your videos. With your final video ready, post it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms are all about quick, eye-catching content, and your first-person POV videos are perfect for that. Keep an eye on analytics to see which moments hook viewers the most. This could really make you the first $1,000 within the first 5 videos. That's the complete blueprint for creating first-person AI videos set in historical or adventurous settings, from crafting prompts with ChatGPT to generating images in Ideogram, animating with Kling AI, customizing sound in 11 Labs, and editing in CapCut. You have everything you need to bring a unique POV story to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more deep dive guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos.